The 10 audits of the AASP audit. Element 1, which is management, leadership, and commitment. This has not changed other than the health and safety policy has to have 3 items. It has to have a phrase which encompasses all parties, and it has to meet the legislation, and it has to meet the corporate standards as well. It has to have good responsibilities of all levels of employees in element 1. Element 2 and 3, hazard identification and control, have not changed either. You've got to make sure that you have job safety analyses and on-site, site-specific hazard assessments known as field-level risk assessments that you do prior to a job so that you can control the health and safety hazards. Element 4 is going to be new. It used to be inspections. It's now going to be health and safety committees. Health and safety committees basically meet a minimum of quarterly, provincially, and are modeled on the federal regulations. So if you have 20 or more employees, you have to have a health and safety committee. If you have between 5 and 19, you've got to have a worker rep. Now the other element is basically inspections, and that has not changed. You've got to have a frequency in your inspection policy, the parties that are included in the policy, and element 7 are other workplace parties. This is different, and other workplace parties includes a definition of contractors, self-employed persons, suppliers, and owners. Element 8 is going to be orientation and training. Orientations have to have the 3 new rights of workers, also modeled on the federal regulations: the right to know, the right to refuse, the right to participate. Training has to be competency-based. The next element is emergency response plans, and what's different here is for the first time ever, actual emergencies are going to count, and your response to them should be measured and analyzed to improve emergency response. Incident investigations, the incident investigation policy will now include work refusals. When someone refuses to work due to unsafe conditions, you have to investigate for root cause and apply corrective measures. And lastly, program administration is a proud demonstration of everything in the other elements, and this includes health and safety meetings, health and safety committee meetings, how management and workers communicate. These are the 10 elements, perhaps not in the right order, but these are the 10 elements of the new partnerships health and safety audit.